Okay, so what does this course entail? So what we're going to be doing in this course is we're going to be teaching you from the ground up the very basics of trading. So if you've never come across trading before or Forex before, we're going to teach you as if you're an absolute beginner. Okay, we're going to be covering lots of different areas, okay, such as charts. First of all, we're going to be teaching you what's actually on the chart, what we're looking at, how they work, how we set them up. Okay, we're going to be also looking at brokerage accounts, how you actually set up your brokerage account, how you place trades. The biggest part of the course itself will be the technical analysis section. Okay, very, very important part of the course. A lot of information to absorb in this section, and we'll cover that in full detail for you. We'll then be going and looking at the trading psychology, so actually how we manage our emotions when trading. And also then finally we'll be looking at risk management. Okay, so how we manage our account, how we manage the funds in our account, and how we ensure that we don't blow up that account and lose more than we want to, basically. So obviously myself and Yasser have worked together and traded for a combined total of about 10 years, I think. And obviously the experience and knowledge that we have, we've put together in this course in a condensed, probably about 20, 30 hours, something like that, to obviously help you fast track that learning curve. Okay, so in this course is the key points that you need to be able to be a successful trader. Okay.